the people that don't know much about cars, if you don't know what a P28 is, it's basically a specific year ECU that came out of the Hondas. I'm not sure what car it came out of, but a lot of guys use it because they can chip them. And this has a hondata chip right here where you can basically tune the car and do some aftermarket adjustments to the ECU without having to buy a complete ECU management system, or a complete new ECU management system. You know what I'm saying? You can keep the stock ECU that came with the cars and put the S300 chip in it, and they'll be able to do a lot of different things you needed to do. Now, they already put the chip in, they already programmed it and everything, but the one thing that haven't been done yet is they haven't added the boost control, which is what I have been tasked to do. I mean, a big resistor, as you can see, a small resistor. I have the dioid. I got two dioids actually, as you can see. Well, actually one dioid, which is this one, and then one resistor, and then I have another resistor right here. So there's different sections on the ECU that you're supposed to solder these new pieces, new hardware into the ECU. If you can look down with me, I'm gonna make sure you can see. If you see Q, where it says right here, I don't know if you can read that, but literally right here above my nail, you'll see something that says Q29. And Q29, if you look next to it, it has 3 solder joints. And those 3 solder joints are where the big transistor goes to. So they'll go right here, basically. Just like that, right? As you can see right here, it says D14. And that's where the dioid goes. That's where the big dioid goes in D14, right? And after that, you have R70 and R71. And R70 and R71, as you can tell, they're giving you a quick reference. They're telling you resistor. So you already know that the 2 resistors are gonna go in R70 and R71. These 2 spots right here, these 2 locations. Good thing about resistors, you don't have to really worry about the orientation, right? But the dioid, you're gonna have to know. The orientation of the dioid, right? Normally, dioids have a marking on it. As you can see, it has a white or a grayish color. If you look at the black thing in the middle, you'll see the whole thing is black besides the left corner. And that left corner is indicating the orientation. So whichever side the left corner, that gray outline is, that gives you the orientation of the dioid. And the same thing goes for the big transistor. From what the manuals say, when you're soldering these, you want the writing facing you. So since the writing is on this side, I would weld it like this. I would weld it exactly like that. And after that, you have Q20, and that's the only Q20 is the only piece of the puzzle that's completely in a different location from the rest. Everybody are on this side, and but the small transistor is on a completely other side of the board. So if I transition you over here, and if you look real closely, right there above the other 2 transistors, you'll see Q20, right? Q20 is literally right there, as you can see. So that lets you know that that's where the other transistor is going to go. And if you look, they already have an orientation. So I wouldn't say to completely disregard the way those transistors are going. You know, those transistors are literally telling you that the writing is towards the back. I mean, facing me, as per the bigger one. And when I look at all of the transistors, they all seem to have the writing facing me. So that's good to know. And for the instructions, it does say that as well. The transistor writing should face you. It says, note that the Q20 may be present on some ECUs. And in this case, you do not need to replace Q20. It may skip this step. So that lets you know right there that sometimes you might already have a Q20 filled in there. But for me, it's not there. So I'm gonna have to put it in there. And I gotta take these screws out as well. So how did I take them out? Well, okay, I'm gonna twist one tool. All right. So took that out. Honestly, horrible soldering. Whoever was doing that. Honestly, it'll probably be better off if I took out the board as well. So what I'm gonna do is remove the board.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
years I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
out.